Welcome to Carter's. Yay! The Pancake Burger Challenge. Pancake Burger Challenge. Hungry Howie for days and more eats. You can see the smoke coming off the egg. You always want to cook your eggs last. Pancake Burger Challenge. What we doing today? What we doing today? Hungry with Hayz. More eats. Pancake Burger Challenge. It's not time. 4 toppings. Have fun. Camaraderie. Meeting new channels. If you don't know Hungry Howie with Hayz, get there, get there, get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Her and her husband are amazing. If you don't know More Eats, get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. Her and Agnes make it happen. I don't have my ring on today. My kids are home from school. This is my breakfast. I did my pancake burger challenge with crepes. You can see the recipe right here. I'm trying to cut my carbs, so lot to do today, and I knew I didn't want to do this with pancakes. Okay, so here's one crepe. She's perfect. I'm gonna place her back here. Now crepes are fairly thin, so this may just completely take the crepe right on out. 4 toppings: liver mush. My kids are watching Mystery Doug. That's what we do. Oh, not Mystery Doug. What's it called? And the parents are getting a new bathroom put in. Look for that short on Mrs. Carter. Why?
Do you know if the wiring goes up to the ceiling, like circuit breakers, for electrical things up here?
I don't
Circuit breaker.
I don't know.
Okay. Can you look outside and see?
Yeah, let me take a look around and see if there's any kind of access on the bottom. If there's not,
Kielbasa sausage, liver mush, turkey bacon. That's cheese and eggs. Y'all, they asked me a question. It took me all off my game. Sorry. And every breakfast should have a little fruit. Y'all know that. All right. I wish you could smell the crepe. It smells amazing. Hold on. Can you see it? And we're going to top it like that. Now, again, it's a crepe, so you can't really pick it up. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. On your crepe, you can use syrup. I wish it was sugar-free, but it's not. Hey, be sure to like, comment, and share. Change up the game, y'all. Try some crepes. Keto pancakes, crepes, whichever one you're going to call them. Cream cheese, vanilla, sweet, artificial sweetener. I went with a little bit of butter. I'm so hungry. I challenged Poetic CT and her daughter. Oh. EATZ. They're outside. My mom's getting a new bathroom, so folks are just everywhere. But look, we got to do what we got to do. If I'm going to eat, I'm going to eat for a video. Okay? I wish I could pick it up. I can't even talk. I wish I could pick up like a sandwich. If I hadn't put the syrup on top. Ah, I'm gonna do it. I won't forget. That is so good, you guys. Don't forget, if you need a butter sauce, get in the description box below and check out Nene Eats Life butter sauce. It's amazing. Get there, get there, get there, get there. Use the promo code Mrs. Carter, I think 2. Do it. Do yourself a favor in 2022. Also, thank you to all my members in 2021. Thank you, members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm going to try to list them right here. I love each and every one of you. Thank you. And thank you for being members in 2022 as well. I failed to say that. Please forgive my oversight. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it as a burger, just for you, more eats. Now, if production comes down, we can't do that. We can't move a crate. Okay, mama. Liver mush, liver pudding, sausage, turkey bacon, eggs with cheese, and a crepe. For my pancake breakfast challenge with more eats and Hungry Hayz for days. I hope I'm saying that right. If you don't know either channel, get there, get there, get there, get there, and subscribe immediately. My son's on the other side of the camera dancing. Go, 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 go. If you had snow, leave a comment below. Did it look good?
No, not at all. Mm-hmm. That's why I'm leaving.
Mm-hmm. Thank you,
1
Adrian.
o'clock we are tablet, right? Yeah.
No, Blake hasn't done her homework yet.
Can I get my stuff? I gotta finish drawing mine.
You're gonna have to let me and Blake work together. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. Watch TV with her until I'm done. I can't do it. Okay, listen. I'm trying to tell you something else. So good. Move. Maybe we don't need to talk. We just need to eat the crepe. See, turkey bacon never cuts the way you want it to cut. Never. I'm trying to make sure they're using the appropriate words for each other. Awesome challenge. Fun challenge. I love breakfast. I thought about pancakes with a piece of fried chicken on the inside, some scrambled eggs, some sausage. I had mushrooms yesterday because I knew I was going to do the pancake challenge and I wanted to save my calorie count. And then, Mm. Mm. So I saved my calorie count for pancakes. But this morning, I just really wanted this kind
So far, we got everything completely out of there. There's zero mold. There's zero rot. No indication of any leaks whatsoever.
of, okay.
Just let you know.
Thank you. You gone? Oh,
Just update you.
thank you. Hmm.
Joe, you said that was 52 long?
Coco, I'm coming. I'm coming. If you did my Big Fat Greek challenge, thank you so much for embracing and trying new foods. And most of the people that did it love Greek food. And they have just really been having a ball with the videos. So thank you. And I've been loving them. I hope you guys have been loving them too. I love the crepe. Pancake usually puts me right to sleep.
Two stories. You gotta go all the way up. And all the way over.
And it took minutes to make. Minutes.
That water's not even going through the attic. Like, there's no other place to be.
They're just talking all around me. I'm so glad I did the challenge. I want to get to know that channel more. I love doing anything More Eats puts out. I still haven't done her boiled eggs. But to that own self be true, I know what I can and can't do. I try to do things that are not going to take away the food from the family house, being that it's a house family of 6. And I need to do the wings again. But you have to wait until it makes sense in the house. That's the kind of place I am. That's the type of place I am in my life. I can't. That is so good. Just water. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel. To all my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for deciding to subscribe. To all of my criterians, thank you for coming back to me. Yeah. I enjoy your company so much, and I love reading all the comments. So be sure to do that. Leave a comment below, because I love chatting. I'm getting to know you in the comments. You really meet great people on YouTube. I mean, really. That crepe is beyond. Arthur turned that on to me in his keto ministry. He takes his diabetes very seriously. And he cares about my weight as well. So we always try to, I try. I don't cut corners on fried chicken. No, I did. I made him barbecue for my 10 wings challenge. Get there. I want it fried. Honey, I love fried food. That's my weakness. Fried chicken and french fries and a cheeseburger. That's what I like. Crab cakes. But when he introduced these cream cheese pancakes to me last year, and we've cooked them a million times on the channel in our morning lives, and I've never done like a video dedicated to just the cream cheese pancakes. So that little clip you saw will be rolling out as a 2-minute segment. Oh, you saw I tried to do that as a sandwich. We're about to lose a lot of production. This was amazing. And top it off with a grape. Y'all be sure to hang out with this bomb channel. We be doing it, y'all. Always trying to mix it up. Guess what I have in my refrigerator? Members. If you're a member, let me know if you want me to cook what I have a pig's tongue. You know, we're a tri-channel, a pig's tongue. Thank you for believing in me that I can cook it. No, I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. We'll figure it out. But members, if you want me to cook that, leave a comment below. Listen, this is where you want to be. This is where you want to hang out, learn, grow, learn new things, try different recipes with me. I got a lot of recipes coming out from neighbors and from people I meet at the grocery store. They've been sharing them with me. So thank you to all my new subscribers here in Denver. But most importantly, there's your bite. Awesome challenge. Get by more eats and hungry Howie for days. But I have something to say. Thank you for becoming members. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks to my girls for doing this awesome challenge. And for allowing me to jump in uninvited. Keep believing in yourself. Tell yourself you're beautiful. Don't be too hard on yourself. Stay in prayer. Look at the clouds. Look at the roses. Look what God can do. If he can do it for the clouds and roses, and you made it to the end, say boo. Take it easy, greasy. You have a long way to fly. I'm going to go do my homeschooling with Blake. Get some, push the boundaries, make that recipe. Try those keto pancakes. Do the best you can. Be joyous always. No anger or bitterness or angst in your heart. I love you more eats. Can't wait to come over there and get to know you more, Hungry Howie for days. Awesome challenge. Thank you for coming to Carter's Eat. Like, comment, share. Boo. Don't forget to say boo. I know there's something I'm forgetting to tell you. I know it because I said I got to tell him. I call you.
5 super fly should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough, champ.